Video we're going to talk about the exact match or contains phrase trigger. So this is a part of a reply channel option. So if you're building a trigger here, you've got your reply channel. Here I've got one set to SMS when somebody replies to a specific campaign. And now we're going to see a couple of options here. So we've got contains phrase or exact match phrase. So this can be cool if we want to do something like, let's do exact match phrase, and we put I want it. So let's talk about what we're going to do here. I'm going to save this trigger. And let's say we were building a campaign like this where we want to do a database reactivation. We're going to bulk request a bunch of people into a campaign that sends a text blast out to everybody that says, hey, we've got something awesome that we're giving away. Reply with I want it to get it. And then if they do reply with that exact phrase, then we're going to fire off some sort of, reply that says, great, go ahead and click here to book or click here to download or something like that. So let's check that out. So let's hop into these two campaigns here. So if we go marketing campaigns, I've got these two set up. So here's my outreach, and this was from a positive intent video I just did. So let's tweak this. We have 10 free something awesome. Let's do reply with I want it, and we'll send you one. Something like that, right? Okay, great. So then if we go back to campaigns and they do replied with it, we're going to say, awesome, go ahead and click here to download. Cool. All right, so let's test it out. I'm going to go into contacts. I'm going to find myself. And I'm going to go down here and add myself into that campaign. So would you be interested? Yes. Okay. So this is going to add me to the campaign, which is then going to fire off that text message. Okay, so there's the text that went out. So let me open up my phone on my computer here. Okay, here's the text. Hey Chase, we have something awesome, awesome's reply with I want it, and we'll send you one. Okay, so let's reply I want it. Notice I didn't do caps on the I, so let's see, it should catch that. It doesn't have to be case sensitive. Okay, boom, it registered the phrase and then it added me to the second campaign and it automatically texted me back, awesome, go ahead and click here to download. Awesome, right? So again, we could do that, or we could do, it's basically the same thing with the other option here. If we go back to our trigger, we could do the exact match, or you could say contains the phrase I want it, and that would fire off too. So that's how you use those two trigger options. Hope it helps you create something cool.